AirMax VS Connector System, FCI. Welcome to this training module on AirMax VS Connector System. This training module introduces AirMax VS high-speed signal connectors and their key features. AirMax VS was the shieldless connector. When introduced, it had the highest electrical performance of any high-speed connector in the market when measuring insertion loss and crosstalk. The design follows the hard metric equipment practice. It offers high density for a given daughter card pitch. There are numerous variations of the 3, 4, and 5 differential pair products. FCI offers both genders, including vertical headers, right angle receptacles, and vertical receptacles, right angle headers. In addition to back panels, coplanar, mezzanine, and I/O products are available. All products are press-fit, eye-of-the-needle contacts. The elimination of shields allows FCI to offer a superior product at a cost basis that is best in class. The heart of the AirMax VS connector system is the IMLA, or Insert Molded Lead Frame Assembly. Shielded connectors are limited in their design flexibility because the signal columns are fixed by the relationship to their ground or shield columns. As AirMax VS has no shields, connector column pitch can be on any center line. FCI offers 2 mm and 3 mm centered product, but other centers, such as 2.5 mm, can be tooled. By using the 3 mm column pitch, 2 sets of traces can be routed between columns, which can offer customers considerable savings by reducing board layer count. In addition to flexibility of column pitch, the AirMax VS offers designers the ability to transmit differential pair signals, single-ended signals, and even power within the same connector and even within one IMLA. Connector costs can be reduced by customers not having to stock different connectors for differential pairs or signal-ended use. AirMax VS offered system designers the flexible high-speed connector in the marketplace. As previously stated, the signal integrity performance for the AirMax VS is excellent. FCI has tested signals to 1.5 gigabits per second. There is a great deal of electrical test support available, including test cards, board demonstrators, and many electrical reports, including HSpice and S-parameter file data. FCI will help customers with pin assignments to assure optimum use of this connector system. A great deal of available customer support information may be located in the FCI Electronics website under the AirMax VS microsite. It should be noted that since its introduction, AirMax VS has had a superior quality record with no major customer quality problems or returns. The first product introduced was the vertical receptacle and right angle header combination. Many data customers have appreciated the design of the protected receptacle on the backplane. 3 different differential pairs per column, including 3 pair 16.7 mm height and 4 pair 20 mm height and 5 pair 25 mm height. Connector heights may be chosen for slot pitch limitations or for system airflow considerations. This table shows the product availability by column pitch. Similarly, for the vertical header and right angle receptacle, the 3 pair, 4 pair, and 5 pair products are available. As shown in the picture, The vertical header may be ordered with a protective cover, which also acts as a press tool for flat rock tooling during insertion to the board. With the availability of the right angle header and the right angle receptacle, AirMax VS supports coplanar applications for the 3-pair, 4-pair, and 5-pair designs. By combining the vertical header and vertical receptacle, a 12.5 mm stack height mezzanine connector is available for the sizes shown. In addition, FCI has tooled a 5-pair 10 IMLA 26 mm mezzanine connector on both 2 mm and 3 mm column pitches. Additional heights may be tooled based upon a market business case justification. FCI has licensed W.L. Gore to build AirMax VS cable assemblies. Present internal I/O availability is as shown. Other variations would be considered based upon the market needs. The internal I/O offering includes both the vertical header and right angle header with either passive or active latches. The headers are end-to-end stackable and have been tested to 6.25 gigabits per second over 3 meters without equalization. All AirMax VS connectors are RoHS compliant. FCI completed tests on various PCB coatings including copper OSP, immersion tin, and immersion silver. 10 lead boards were used as a control reference for the test. The lab test report is available. The AirMax VS power connectors are available in 1x2, a 2x2, and a 2x3 configuration. Multiple mating lengths are available on the receptacle side for first make, last break. The power connectors are rated at 80 amperes and 150 volts per UL and IEC guidelines between adjacent conductors. The connectors are compliant with the UL finger probe test. Product drawings and specifications are available online. FCI offers 2 versions of rugged die-cast guides. The guide pin and guide module combination provides additional coating options as well as an ESD contact. The smaller guide blade and guide module combination is designed for minimum board real estate consumption. The first is a 10.8 mm module which offers the options of keying and ESD. Product is designed to fit next to the 4 or 5 pair signals and a 3-pair signal connectors. Both back panel and coplanar versions are available. The 7.2 mm module guide is designed where board space constraints are important. The 7.2 mm is used for guidance only and is also available to fit beside the 4 and 5 pair signal and 3 pair signals. Both back panel and coplanar variations are available. For customers that require many low-speed signals, the Millipax hard metric connector system will fit next to the AirMax systems. The Millipax product family offers many product variations. This chart shows the nominal contact wipe distance in millimeters for all the products described.